Welcome back all of you to our online platform, that is our school's YouTube channel. So again we are ready with today's video. This video is for class 7th and the subject is maths, and we are continuing the same chapter, that is chapter number 2, and the name of the chapter is data handling. As in this question, in this exercise also we have completed the question number 1, 2 and 3. Now we will discuss question number 4. So as I told you, you are supposed to keep your textbook with you whenever you are watching the videos. So you are supposed to open your textbook, page number is 68, and you are supposed to read question number 4 of exercise 3.2. The question is there: find the mode and median of the data. Now the data is given. First of all, I will write it into the same form, that the data is given 13, 16, and then 12, 14, 19, 12, 14, 19, then 12, and then 14, and then 13, and at last that is 14. So this is the data given in the question. So to find the mean, not the mean, here we are supposed to find mode and median. To find mode or median, first of all we are supposed to arrange these observation in the ascending order. So now we will arrange in the ascending order. So first of all the lowest number is 12, and it is being repeated 2 times, so we will also repeat 2 times. Afterward there is 13 is here as well as here, 2 times is there 13, so we will write 2 times. Afterwards 14 is there 3 times, this one 1, 2, 3, 14 and 14. Afterwards 16 is there, and then 1 time 19 is there. Total number of observation 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we are supposed to count the number of observations so that we to ensure that we have not skipped any of the observation. Afterwards, first of all we are supposed to find the mode. Now the mode is the observation which is being repeated maximum number of times. So here we can see that 12 has been repeated for 2 times, 13 has been repeated for 2 times, 14 has been repeated for 3 times, and 16 and 19 has not been repeated. So which number has been repeated maximum times? That is 14. 14 has been repeated for 3 times. That's why we can write mode is equals to 14. Now our next part is there to find the median. How to find the median? Median will be, now first of all we have to write the value of n. N is here 9, means number of observations, and I told you previously, if the number of observations are even or odd, so the formula will be different. So here the number of observations are odd. For odd number of observations, mean we have to find, the formula is there, n plus 1 by 2th term. So n is there 9 plus 1 divided by 2, 2th term, means 9 plus 1, 10 by 2, 10 by 2 means 2 5s are 10, means median will be 5th term. Now we have to again observe the increasing order. The observation we have arranged in the increasing order, we are supposed to see which is the 5th term. First, second, third, fourth, 5th, that is 14. So 14 is the answer. The benefit of and what is the use of arranging these observations in the ascending order, that is, if we have not arranged and we have found out that the fifth term will be the median, then from that original observation if we count 1 2 3 4 5, that would have been 19 and that would have been the wrong answer. So to find the mode or median, we are supposed to arrange the data in the ascending order. That is our preference. First of all, we are supposed to perform that. Afterwards, we can start thinking regarding the calculation of mode and median. At the same time, in the last question, that is question number 5, as you can see in your book, true or false are there. So first one is there, the mode is always one of the numbers in the data. What is mode? Mode is the number which is being repeated for the maximum times in the observation given. So that's why, that observation will be from the given information only. So first one is, the mode is always one of the numbers in a data. Yes, that is true. You can see here the mode is 14 and 14 is one of the observations. Next one, the mean is one of the number in a data. It is not sure. It can be there or it cannot be there. Mean or average can be different. Mean or average cannot be, we cannot say that that is 100% from the observation. That's why it is false. Next one, the median is always one of the numbers in a data. Median, how to find the median? We are supposed to find the term. Which term? Either fifth term or sixth term or seventh term of the observation. Means the median will always be from the observation. So that is true. So next one, fourth, the data 6 4 3 8 9 12 13 9 has mean 9. So we are supposed to find the mean. To find the mean, we are supposed to add all and we are supposed to divide by number of observations. How many numbers of observations are there? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, and their sum will be 64. 64 divided by 8, there that will be 8. So this observation, that statement is false, because here it is given the mean is 9, but the mean is not 9, mean will be 8 only. In this way our exercise is complete. Afterward, we are supposed to move forward. On page number 72, we are supposed to start the new exercise, that is exercise 3.3. Question number 1. In question number 1, bar graph is there. Two, 4, 6, 8. Like this, it is given on the vertical axis, that is the vertical axis, and here the students have been represented. Students, or we can say number of students. Then on the horizontal axis, some pet animals have been given. So first of all, I should take the book and I should draw the diagram. So first one is the number of dogs. Second one will be the cats. Third one will be the rabbits. Next one will be the hamsters, that is hamsters. And afterwards the others. This one is the dogs. Here cats, then rabbits, then hamsters, and then here others. So like this the graph is given there, so we are supposed to observe the graph and we are supposed to answer the question. This graph is about pets owned by students of class 7. So how many pets are there and which kind of pets they are having, the students of class 7. Afterwards we are supposed to answer the questions. First answer is, which is the most popular pet? So here we can see the number of pets can be find out from here. So the highest polygon, the animal or the pet having the highest polygon will be the maximum numbers will be there for that pet. So which is having the highest polygon, that is cats. Means 10 students of 7th class having or own one cat. So higher the polygon, higher will be the numbers or higher will be the observation taken on the vertical axis. At the same time, the second one, how many students have dog as pet? So dog, where is dog? Dog is here. So if we check on the vertical axis, that will be 8. So 8 students are there who are having the pet as dog. So like this only we are supposed to observe the given graph and then we are supposed to answer the questions. In question number 2, again the graph is given there. The graph is related to number of books sold by a bookstore during 5 consecutive years and answer the following questions. First of all, we are supposed to observe the graph which is between the number of years and the number of per year and for last 5 consecutive years, and on the vertical axis we are having the number of books sold. So we are supposed to observe that. Afterwards we are supposed to answer the questions given below. How to construct a graph, then we will discuss in the next video. Till then you can go through these questions and you should try the questions. If you face any kind of problem, then you are supposed to message us or you can call us. We will try to rectify your problems. But after completing the questions of the exercise, you are supposed to take the pic of that and you are supposed to upload on the school's WhatsApp number. Thank you very much.